Wow.
Time for the enemy to say its prayers.
I think I'm pretty lucky. My sneaking seemed to have worked. And a headshot. Nice one.
Nighty-night.
Come on, tell... Oh, it should have told me it was the last. It didn't. God damn you, game.
Yes.
There's still another.
Yes.
Must watch out.
I'm not
Our
happy.
soldiers are not dead.
Still more. This is like never ending. To my feeling, anyway. But there's not too many places they could have been. Dimitri, go take a look there then. You try to open the door, I guess.
Locked.
Try and kick it open.
Right. This is futile. This is futile.
Come on.
This is futile. This is futile.
Couple of more attempts.
This is futile. This is futile.
Two more.
This is futile.
One more. And the final.
This is futile.
Damn. Yeah, maybe the enemy's still hiding within here. Yeah, this is one part of the game that I don't really like at all. Searching for the last enemy within the map. It's just tedious, nothing else.
Time for the enemy to say its prayer.
And he was inside. That's fine. Why is he watching the wall? I mean... Nice headshot. Nice.
Super.
Go. Oh, it's still not the last. Good God, how many of you are there?
Yes. Give me a minute. Bad guys.
They're all just sitting in the frigging corner here. Yeah, okay. We get the point. It was a bad move to walk there. Let's load that. See if I can somehow do better. Let's first see if we can make that headshot again. That seems to work.
Super.
So for now, let's turn and just wait. Maybe that guy will move, but I doubt it.
Yes.
Again, this must better be the last one. And it feels like it's the 5th or 6th time I'm actually saying that. Yeah, let's go. Wait some more.
We
Yes.
mustn't forget the ones we didn't get.
How are you supposed to spot that guy? Ooh, wait. I thought that these things were standing against the wall, but they're not, so... That could be an
Time
opportunity.
for the enemy.
Nope, it's not.
Yes.
He's just confused or something. Yeah, let's load that again. I mean, there must be a way to get that guy. There has to be a way.
Time for the enemy to say its prayers.
I mean, that guy will just always spot you.
Yes.
Well, now you can shoot him, but that's way too much damage. It's gonna take like a whole month or something to regen, if not using a hospital. Maybe you can even buy just normal goods or something through aim, but I doubt it. I'm gonna have to take a look at that stuff. Maybe I should...
Time for the enemy to say its prayers.
What? You can even see me over there.
Yes.
God. I thought he'd be out of range or just could not see through them. I was thinking I'd just move over here and yeah, go for a long distance since he's using a shotgun, but didn't seem to work that well.
Time for the enemy to say its prayers.
That guy is such a bastard. I think I'm gonna have to live with this. That's so sad. Oh god, don't you miss. Don't you miss. No, that means death. Yeah, no. How do you do this? Seriously. I don't think I have any kind of... Well, didn't Ira pick up a hand grenade? It's gonna have to do. It's gonna have to do. I don't really see any other way out, because shotgun, up close, no way to get a range shot on him. Actually, there should be, since he can shoot through that, there should be a really small gap or something.
Time for the enemy to say
At such a range, he's supposed to miss though. He's supposed to miss, not hit.
Yes.
Like, if he can see me at a big range, maybe he'll actually miss, but it seems to be a very small chance. So I'm still safe over here, am I?
You called?
Can I say that did not work as I thought it would? It was entertaining to see though. But man, seriously, I hate that guy. Can't I just manually shoot him or something? Apparently, I've done something. Don't know what, but...
Time for the enemy to say.
Ooh, he's actually moving. He's moving.
Give me a minute.
That is bad.
Yes.
Oh, don't you miss. Fine, I'm just gonna go with the hand grenade in the corner idea. It's much better. It's kind of nice though that you can actually shoot in the corner and it made him jump or something, so I think that's pretty cool. Let's grab the hand grenade. And let's see how close we can get. I think that square means death. No, it's not. Let's throw it there. That was too close, Ira. That was too close. I don't think he's even injured or something. No, he's not. He's not injured. Why would he be?
Yes.
Oh dear. How can that one guy pose such of a problem? Seriously. Why can he just randomly spot me? What's up with that? I'm not letting Ira die for that, honestly. So I'm gonna have to be quick, am I?
What was that? The army! I knew we'd see them sooner or later.
9 points of damage. It's gonna have to do, I'm afraid. I don't really see any other way. Oh, this is such a horrible, horrible, horrible battle. But at least that guy died.
Yeah, we did them all. I love that.
Yeah, first aid, sure. It was absolutely horrible of a battle. So now I'll end the video, I guess, with after I talk to Mickey. I think the guy's name was over here. And see if there's anything to do with the church, since churches don't seem to be a very common sight in this country, so I'm sure it's special in some way. And yeah, see this building, see if there's any head of mining or something.